we are now crossing this bridge from one end to another. अगर आप देखें, it's huge. यार देखो नीचे, it's completely. देखो नीचे जो है, अभी ये नीचे का जो क्रेन है, वो जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, दैट इज गोइंग एंड देयर इट गोस. क्रेन जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो चला गया मूव होके, और वो देखो, और नीचे जो है इस काइंड ऑफ नेट, और इसके ऊपर से हमको क्रॉस करना है. बिल्कुल देन
Alright guys, I finally boarded the bus, all set to go to Newport, Wales, and I will show you how the travel goes. Travel with me, enjoy and have fun. Peace.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show.
Okay guys, these two people are going to Wales right now, and see her. She looks beautiful, right? Say something.
Hello.
Where we are going?
We are going to Wales.
And what you will do in Wales?
You must
I
see.
will throw you out of the bus. Okay? I will throw you out of the bus, you see. Okay? So we will enjoy, we will have. Okay guys, so I will show her a bag. This bag is very beautiful. If you see, I mean, just let me show. So this is her backpack, if you guys can see. Right? It have a horn, it have a ears, it looks like a unicorn, so it's amazing. Peace. So we finally able to reach Newport. So what we have decided is, after landing here in Newport, we have kept our luggage in the hotel, and since our check-in is at from 2 o'clock and it's only 11:30, so we have decided to kept our bag in the luggage room in the hotel. We will roam around and then we will maybe come in the night, put the luggage in our room. So we haven't taken any room yet. We have kept the luggage in the luggage room, and now we are heading out to visit the places.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
So this is the hotel. Basically, if you see, this is the Queen's Hotel, and here you see what is there outside the Newport. Lovely weather out there. We have if you see, we have a Asian fusion buffet, an Asian restaurant just next to our hotel. An amazing view. So alright guys, so we will now start our journey, visit the places, travel with me, enjoy and have fun. Peace. Visit the entire places. So today we have decided to finish the Newport, and tomorrow we will go to Cardiff. First stop we are going to Newport Castle Wall, and then followed by Newport Bridge, then followed by Roman Fort, Roman Museum, and there is a golf course. So these are the places we can cover today in Newport, and now we are heading toward Newport Castle, right? So follow me and enjoy. It is the castle where we are going right now, if you see, and this is the summit. Quite, if you see this graffiti, quite nice. So guys, this is the Newport Castle map. Unfortunately, this has been closed for visit. So this is what we have right now for the visit. This is the castle, guys. Unfortunately, this is closed today, so we have to visit from outside. So guys, right now she have decided to jump from that cliff. So we are going to capture the moment. Come on, jump. Yeah. So it was a nice jump. You did it. You want to see
Yes.
the repeat telecast?
Yes.
Friends of Newport Museum and Art Gallery. So I don't want to say what it is. Let's see, let go. And just I want to give you the index, what it have. So this is the index. This, and this. So let's go. Let's enjoy and let's check it out. You want to say something?
Hi.
No, not hi. What you want to say?
Let's talk here.
Let's rock.
Yes.
Let's go. Do you know which way to go?
Yes. This way.
Come, guide us. Guide the audience. Guide everybody. Okay, there you go. We press the lift. We go inside the lift and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so we are now into the Newport Museum. तो guys ये आप देखें तो बहुत ही टिपिकल म्यूजियम जैसा ही है. देखिए ये शिप है जिसको हम शिप कहते हैं. And this is the bridge. This is the transporter bridge. This is the transporter bridge. And I think they carry the people on this basket and take from this point to this point. So here we are going to go on this bridge. तो यार ये सब ही है गाइस. मेरे को पता है उतना ज़्यादा तो इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. हम भारतीय लोग के लिए ये सब स्टैग्नेंट चीज़ देख के थोड़ा पक जाते हैं. तो ठीक है. हाँ, टर्न इट ऑन. घुमाओ इसको. ये शिप का ये पता है क्या है? दिस इज द स्टीयरिंग ऑफ ए शिप. क्या गाइस, तो घूमते हैं, फिरते हैं, नाचते हैं, गाते हैं और करेंगे और करते हैं क्या.
So guys, that is the transporter bridge. Let's see what happens over there. So guys, we have finally made it to the transporter bridge and see its massiveness. It is hanging this massive bridge. I don't know what it is basically. What is the purpose of this bridge? I will see and let's see how it goes. Finally crossed one part of transporter bridge that was at the top. Now we are going to cross from that podium, that hanging podium.
We go there.
You go there?
Yes.
So guys, we are going up to the this transporter bridge. So basically guys, so the concept is that you have two ways to go to cross this particular river. One is a suspension pendulum platform kind of thing on which you will transfer your big vehicles, and this is another where you can climb down to the up, and I don't know what it is. These are the two things which they have explained. Let's see.
It's amazing.
It's nice?
Yes.
You are loving it?
Yes.
It's nice, right? See, it's amazing view. So guys, if you see that blue color cabinet, that is actually that hanging pendulum. And this is the stairs. You have to climb up and then see what is happening. It's massive. It's massive. ओके गाइस, तो आप देख रहे हैं ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है ये वापस एक एंड से दूसरे एंड आ रहा है. सो दैट इज़ द प्लेटफॉर्म जिसमें अगर कोई बड़ा व्हीकल है, ट्रक है, बस है, कार है, वहाँ से इस तरफ आना है तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म में उसको लाया जाता है, राइट. और हम ऑलमोस्ट टॉप पे पहुँच चुके हैं. अब हमको ऊपर से वी हैव टू क्रॉस ऑन दैट साइड. सो वी आर एट वेरी हाई पॉइंट गाइस, वी आर एट वेरी हाई पॉइंट हाइट से मेरे को डर लगता है, बट फिर भी मैं ये थ्रिल कर रहा हूँ
Just because of me.
just because of this girl NDPD. Please प्लीज बैंग मत करना इसको, क्योंकि यार ये जब अभी देखो क्लैंप हो रहा है, ये डॉक हो रहा है मीन। अगर आप देखो तो ये अभी डॉक हो रहा है, तो इसमें पुली लगा हुआ है, इट गोज एंड डॉक इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर। जिसको कहते हैं स्मूथ लैंडिंग। लेट्स गो चलते हैं यार, वैसे मेरे को हाइट से डर लगता है। चलो तो गाइस फाइनली वी हैव मेड इट टू द टॉप ऑफ दिस ट्रांसपोर्टर ब्रिज। सो दीज आर द पाथ जहाँ से आपको चल के उस पार जाना है। इट्स प्रीटी हाई, बहुत हाई है। अगर आप देख सकते हैं पूरा न्यूपोर्ट सिटी यहाँ पे दिखता है, इट्स टू मच हाई। Okay guys, so now we are crossing this bridge. We didn't cross because I was a bit afraid, क्योंकि वो जो नीचे का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है जा रहा था, तो ये ब्रिज एंटायर शेक कर रहा था। तो वो अभी नीचे का प्लेटफॉर्म इधर पहुंच चुका है, डॉक हो चुका है। नाउ हम ये क्रॉस करेंगे। लेट्स गो।
Empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only
जान में जान आई. We crossed all the way. Come. Want to say something?
Finally guys, we made it. We have crossed from this point, that point to this point. Oh, amazing guys. We crossed it. We made it. Over and out.
Take your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will.
Okay, you are on camera. Start rolling. So tell me what we did today. I am taking a test. This is a tourism test. We will go for tour and you have to give a test in the evening. Tell me which all places we went.
We went to lots of places.
Tell me the place name.
I don't remember.
Then what you remember? So
I remember myself.
so you like the
Yes.
okay, so tomorrow what we are going to do
We are going to Cardiff.
and what we will do in Cardiff?
Explore Cardiff.
You are going to explore Cardiff?
Yes.
Come, I will throw you on the water.
Come.
Come, I will throw you on the water.
Hmm.
Okay, so it means you are enjoying, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay guys,
In the sky, I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.